So today we're going to be starting our Unit 4 PowerPoint recorded lecture. Let me get that set up for you guys. Okay. So Unit 4 really it's talking about families or families. We'll practice that sign in a minute. But again, Unit 3. No, I'll fix that later. But Unit 4, talking about families, you're going to be learning about contrastive structures in conversations, forming negative responses, 67 to 100, ranking in conversations, telling ages, possessive objects, relationships, family members, and then maintaining a clear sightline. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So following with the sign for family, you can also sign family, family or family. We have mother or mother, father or father, son, daughter, okay? Son, daughter, brother, sister, children, kids, which rock on hand, twins, in-laws, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, cousins, and you can do boy cousins, neutral cousins, girl cousins. Then we have niece and nephew, or niece and nephew. Anything granddaughter, grandson, grandchildren. You have to spell grand. But getting into these, the signs for step, you can do step or step, meaning fake or other. Half, you would do 1, 2. Half sister or half brother, and then adopted. Here, adopted. Okay, here, important vocab. Interesting has 3 signs. So interesting, this, which are this. Interesting, you have interesting, and it's typically with, or like a movement of that lips. And then the last one, 258, meaning two, like, so sign is 258, meaning very interesting, but it's just like the shorthand 258. Next one, total, we're here and we close and rotate. Total. To look after or take care of with RK hand shapes. Keys. What for is just 4. Vacation. Gathering, like all meeting at a place. And then gone. And this is like the formal version of dead, gone, or like something's gone, like missing, gone. It's gone. This, your homework assignment, okay? All right, all this, right? So when we talk about setting up for your sisters or your brothers, you're going to rank them on your hand, meaning this is the first one and this all the way down to the last one. Excuse me. But it depends, right? Not everyone has that many siblings, right? You could have this many or just one. You are the only child. But when you talk about, like, for example, my family, I have one real sister, 2 stepsisters, and then 2 stepbrothers. So in the ranking, including myself, would be 6. So when I set that up on my hand, you always go from the oldest down to the youngest. And so the oldest would be my oldest. Let me move my mouse real quick. Oldest stepsister here. Next would be my oldest stepbrother. Next is my sister. Then this is my older sister, would be that one. Older stepbrother. This one. This one is me. And then number 6 on the rank, number 6 is my youngest stepsister. So order has to go in an order. Okay. So when you sign all of these signs, we have old, older, oldest, middle, young, younger, youngest. Cool. Okay, practicing in ASL. Brother, sister, you have. You oldest. Brother, sister, you. Brother, sister, same difference, what? Cool or cool, right? Practicing the moving of J, like finger spelling specifically with the J letter, all of these. So when you sign JA, you don't go JA, but you do JA on the side. Okay. So all of these would look like JAY, JANE, JADE, JACOB. So it's like a twisting motion for all of these. So JE, again to the side, JEAN, JEFF, JENNY, JESSICA. Same with JILL, JIM, JIRO, JIVIN. Again, JOY, JOE, JOAN, JORDAN. Make sense? And then continuing, we have JU, where it's more palm towards you. JUDY. You flip it back. JULIET. JUTTA. JUNE. Okay, practice. Okay, continuing, talking about ages. So notice the difference of old and age. Straight, it's like straight down age. We have ages 1 month, age 2 months, all the way to 11. So age 11 months. Okay, where ages 1 through 9 years, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where ages 10 through 19 is touch 10, touch 11, touch 12, touch 13, touch 14, touch 15, touch 16, touch 17, touch 18, touch 19. Going into age 20, age 21, age 33. It will just age and then the number. Okay. More dialogue practice. Your mother, brother, sister have. Your mother, oldest. Your father, brother, sister have. Your father, oldest, right? Going through this section. So when we talk about specifically 6, 7, 8, 9, all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, normal, and we'll get to it. So when you do 67, you do 67. So the smaller numbers on the outside and the bigger numbers on the inside. 67, 68. You get it? So the 6 is smaller than the 8. The 6 is smaller than the 9. Make sense? And then back to neutral, 70, 71, neutral, 72, neutral. Okay, we're not rocking. 73, 74, 75. But then when we get to 76, we go back to the rocking. But 7 is bigger than 6, so it goes out. but then we have 77, but then we have 78, 79. Do you get it? And then back to neutral, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, rocking, right? 8 is bigger than 6. 87, again, 88, bounce, and then 89. Okay, 90, neutral, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, rocking, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. 100. Okay. So, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. So talking about this, the stages of a relationship, we have single, we have date and go out on a date, we have boyfriend, girlfriend, and partner, we have sweetheart, we have fall in love, we have take a break, in between, right? Take a break, and then we have break up, break up. Then we have proposed marriage, we have engaged, we have fiance, we have married, we have wedding, we have husband and wife, we have pregnant but also pregnant, and then birth, and then argue, and then a heated argument. We have not getting along or not getting along. We have fall out of love. Excuse my phone. We have separate, and then we have divorce and divorce. Next, we have heartbroken, rip your heart, and then last one, to part company. Okay. So practicing, nope, excuse me. Practice these. All of this vocab you already know. Okay. So this would be a good practice of ASL structure, but also practicing your vocab. Good luck. Okay. Desires for the future. In the future, will, want, don't want, which we talked about back in like unit 2. Maybe, perhaps, no, not, nothing, and yes. These, I will include a link on Canvas for you to watch a video. This is a pause and read. This dialogue practice, right? So married, you. Partner, have. Children, you have. Children, you want. Okay. Then going into age, you. And essentially you're asking how old are you, but you don't sign that because that's English structure. But age, you, and your brows go down to understand that it's a WH question. Okay. So we have old and young, right? But we have alive and dead. Okay. More dialogue practice. Cousins, you have. Your grandma, grandpa alive. Right, it's easy. All right, now getting into celebrate or celebration, celebrate. Okay, we have, I'll put myself right here. We have wedding, we have birthday, or other signs you can do birthday or birthday, like it's like arrival day. Graduation, Then we have family or family. You can do gathering or reunion. And then the last one, happy or happy anniversary. So notice celebrate, anniversary, reunion, they're all the same sign. Okay, continuing, we have Christmas, we have Hanukkah, we have it's Hanukkah, and then we have Kwanzaa. So because 3 candles and 4 candles. So Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. And then we have Thanksgiving, or you can do Thanksgiving, or you can do Thanksgiving, like Turkey Day. And last one, happy or happy. I've seen multiple signs. I've seen Easter, I've seen Easter, I've seen Easter. Up to you. Okay. Continuing, we have Halloween or Halloween. We have the 4th of July, just spell July, but 4th of July. We have Dia de los Muertos. What you sign for that, you can do, I've seen Day Dead. You can, if you want to emphasize, you can do Day of the Dead. Down there we have Happy St. Patrick's Day, and it's Pinch Day. And then last one, Happy Valentine's or Valentine's Day. Okay. So just other important vocab, cute or cute. Your thumb can be in or out, does not matter. Beautiful, handsome, nice, family or family, cha, family, strong resemblance, youthful look young, look different, and look same. Cool. All right, finally on to more questions to ask. Married you, children you want, brother, sister you have, oldest, right? Oldest you, your sister, remember pregnant or pregnant, either one. Closest, right? That's who, age you, grandma, grandpa alive, and nieces and nephews you have, right? Easy questions that we've been practicing this whole unit. Okay, and then that's it. So if you want to pause and read the little quote. But that's it. So hopefully that helps. Practice. If you have any questions, email me. Okay.